Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 11 to 17, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Meron tayong 50% discount sa ating mga tarot reading services pag nag-book kayo from August 15 to 31. Ayan. So, limited slots lang yan. So, take advantage of that 50% discount. And paalala lang, ito ay isang general reading, no? So, just take what resonates. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Let's see, Virgo. What's the energy for you this week? For Virgo. Okay, this is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, and blessing. Ooh, okay. Bottom of the deck, Six of Cups. This is energy ng past. This is also about relationship. So, maaring iba sa inyo, merong relationship na finally it's ending, or finally you are letting go of that. Oh, 'di ba? You have the Tower. Maaring meron kang realization of this relationship na, it's time to let go. Maari kasing paulit-ulit, no? Pabalik-balik lang yung issue, problema ng relationship ninyo, and you realize na it's time to end. Oo, ngayon kasi, maraming retrograde na planets, and there are a lot of people na nagse-separate, nagkakaroon ng breakup, separation, dahil sa mga realizations nila, sa gusto nila sa isang relationship. So, that's actually, yung iba sa inyo, yan ay blessing in disguise. Oo. Kasi, ibibigay sa'yo yung talagang dinideserve mo. What you really deserve in a relationship. Pwede rin naman tong sa career path, no, trabaho na meron ka ngayon, or situation na gusto mo nang tapusin kasi maaring this is becoming stressful na sa'yo, hindi ka na ganun ka fulfilled, no, sa ginagawa mo. And may bago kang inspiration. And I think itong bagong inspiration na to magbibigay sa'yo ng happiness, ng fulfillment, and even financial stability and abundance. Yan, napakaganda. So, your overall energy is the Four of Pentacles, which is financial stability, financial security. So, you are focused on saving money, pagkakaroon ng maayos na trabaho, na career, mas nagiging disiplinado ka rin sa mga goals mo. You are really putting in the work. Let's clarify what is the Four of Pentacles. Yeah, you have the Ace of Swords. So, this is learning. So, maaring may mga inaalam ka, nire-research, pinag-aaralan ng mga bagong paraan para mas mapaunlad mo yung pera mo, yung career mo, or your business. And even merong magandang merong good news sa family related sa performance ng inyong anak, kung may mga anak kayo, or sa family ninyo, like mga kapatid, ganyan. Now, your challenge is kung paano mo pagsasabay-sabayin at ima-manage yung oras at panahon mo, kasi maaring magiging very busy kayo sa maraming bagay, pwedeng sa trabaho, sa relationship, sa business, no? Yung iba sa inyo, marami kayong sources of income, no? Multiple streams of income. You have the Queen of Swords. So, Queen of Swords is about analytical thinking. So, yung iba sa inyo, nagiging very, pagdating sa decision making, pinag-aaralan nyo munang maigi bago kayo mag-desisyon. Nagiging maingat rin kayo sa mga situation na papasukin ninyo, lalo na kung ito ay may kinalaman sa pera or investment. And then, your opportunity is the Nine of Cups. So, meron kang wish na matutupad. May happiness dito. Maaring meron ding opportunity for you to go out with friends, have fun, relax, enjoy, magkaroon ng vacation. You have the Seven of Pentacles. Ito yung matagal mo nang pinag-iipunan, matagal mo nang pinaghahandaan, finally mangyayari na. So, yung iba sa inyo, ito ay isang negosyo or project ninyo, personal project. Pwede rin itong isang travel opportunity na pinaghandaan mo, pinag-ipunan mo, na talagang mangyayari na finally. You have the Ten of Swords as your blessing. So, may mga challenges, no? Paghihirap, mga pagsubok na pinagdadaanan kayo ng mga nakaraan na finally matatapos na. It has come to an end and it's time to start. You have the Knight of Wands. This is having the confidence. Yung blessing mo is confidence to start all over again, to try new things and to explore. Ayan. So, tingnan natin yung iba pang messages for you sa kaperahan. Money, career, finances for Virgo. What's the energy? Pagdating sa cash flow ninyo, maaring maka-experience kayo ng parang roller coaster ride na may bigla ang gastos, tapos biglang okay naman, tapos and then meron na naman. So, kailangan maging maingat sa inyong expenses, no? And then, it's time to express yourself through design and art. Meron kang talent sa design and art, so maaring meron kang gustong subukan na negosyo, career path, or self-expression ninyo pagdating sa pananamit, no? Or even your talents in arts, no? Pwede nyong i-explore din yan. At eventually, pwede rin yung maging source of income for you kung talagang pagbubutihin mo, no? Your love life. Yung iba sa inyo, you are in a relationship na very passionate kayo sa isa't isa, may maganda kayong chemistry, nagkakaintindihan kayo. So, celebrate that kind of relationship. Marami kayong pagkakapareho, no? Kaya, nagiging interesting rin yung inyong relationship. And if you're single, possible na meron kang makilala na parang masasabi mo na you have a lot of things in common na pwedeng mag-uwi sa seryosong relasyon. You have Mars in Aquarius in the 11th house. Rebellion. So, I think itong rebellion na to is about something na kailangan mo nang i-end, tapusin, no? Kumbaga, ikaw yung mag-i-initiate nun. Maglalakas loob ka to finally get out of your comfort zone. You will also experience na may mga taong na-attract sa inyo, may mga admirers, ganyan. So, syempre, piliin nyo kung sino talaga yung magugustuhan ninyo. And yung iba naman, merong person na laging tumatatak sa isip nyo ngayon. This can be yung kakonect mo ngayon or someone na nakakausap mo and you feel like parang you are starting to have a very deep connection with this person. You have Jupiter in Scorpio in the 8th house. 8th house is about mystery. So, maaring meron kang mga gustong matuklasan na para sa'yo, kulang pa yung kaalaman mo tungkol doon. Pwede itong sa pag-aaral or a topic na interesado ka. Pwede rin namang relasyon or person na you want to get to know better. Ayan. So, marami kang matutuklasan. Yung iba naman, maaring nagiging very interested kayo sa occult, sa tarot, sa astrology, sa anything that is mysterious, mystical. Yan. There is peace of mind. And then also success. Wow. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mararating na success na magbibigay sa inyo ng peace of mind na finally nakuha nyo na. And that is part of the wish fulfillment ninyo, no? Meron din ditong relationship healing. So, yung iba sa inyo, this can be healing from your relationship sa parents, relationship sa friends, no? So, maaring nandun ka na sa point na you are finally moving on at ready ka na to start something new sa life mo. You are letting go of the past. You are healing. Kumbaga, may forgiveness rin. At yung forgiveness kasi na yon is para sa sarili mo, no? Hindi lang dun sa tao na may nagawang mali sa'yo. Kasi gusto mo ng peace of mind. Ayan, the bigger picture. Take a step back and gather your thoughts and feelings. So, ngayon mas malalim, mas malawak yung pananaw mo sa buhay. Hindi kagaya dati na parang ang bilis mong mairita, ang bilis mong mainis. So, ngayon, yung pangunawa mo ngayon mas malawak. And yan yung nakakatulong sa'yo ngayon para makapag-desisyon ka ng mas makakabuti para sa'yo. Okay, so that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.